Welcome to the Front-End Developer Career Guide. In this series, we'll explore the exciting world of building user interfaces and client-side web applications using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Front-end developers are responsible for creating the visual and interactive parts of websites and applications that users see and interact with. They design and build responsive layouts with HTML and CSS. They add interactivity and dynamic features using JavaScript. They integrate front-end applications with back-end services through APIs. And they ensure applications are accessible, fast, and provide excellent user experience across all devices. To become a successful front-end developer, you need to master 3 core technologies. First, HTML and CSS for creating semantic markup and responsive design. Second, JavaScript for DOM manipulation and asynchronous programming with modern ES6+ syntax. And third, frameworks and libraries like React, Vue, or Angular that help you build complex applications efficiently. Front-end developers work with a variety of tools every day. Design tools like Figma and Adobe XD help you understand design specifications. Code editors like Visual Studio Code and WebStorm are where you write your code. Build tools like Webpack and Vitebundle and optimize your applications. Testing frameworks like Jest ensure code quality. Version control with Git and GitHub helps teams collaborate. And browser DevTools help you debug and profile your applications. HTML is the foundation of every web page. It provides the structure and semantic meaning to web content. You start with the DOCTYPE declaration, then create the HTML element with head and body sections. The head contains metadata and the title. The body contains your page content. Use semantic elements like header, main, and footer to give your HTML structure and meaning. This makes your pages more accessible and easier to maintain. CSS brings styling and layout to your HTML structure. Modern CSS uses Flexbox and Grid for creating responsive layouts. With Flexbox, you can align items, distribute space, and create flexible container layouts. The Display Flex property enables Flexbox mode. You can justify content to control horizontal alignment and use gap to add space between items. Items can grow and shrink based on available space. This makes it easy to create responsive designs that work on all screen sizes. JavaScript brings interactivity and dynamic behavior to web pages. You select HTML elements using methods like querySelector and getElementById. You attach event listeners to respond to user interactions like clicks. When events occur, you can manipulate the DOM by changing text content and adding CSS classes. For example, you can select a button and listen for clicks. When clicked, you update the content and apply styling. This is how modern web applications become interactive and responsive to user actions. The front-end development career typically progresses through 3 main levels. As a junior developer with 0 to 2 years of experience, you focus on building fundamental skills and working on guided projects under supervision. As a mid-level developer with 2 to 5 years of experience, you lead the development of complete features, mentor junior developers, and participate in system design discussions. As a senior developer with 5 or more years of experience, you make architectural decisions, provide technical leadership, and make strategic choices that affect the entire team. Front-end development offers numerous exciting opportunities. You can work remotely from anywhere in the world, giving you flexibility in where you live and work. Front-end developers are in high demand and earn competitive salaries. You can join startups to build innovative products from the ground up and have significant impact. The technology landscape constantly evolves, providing continuous learning opportunities throughout your career. Start your front-end development journey today and become part of the digital revolution.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.